G'day and welcome to today's vlog. I'm so glad I'm moving out today. It's Sunday, just woke up. Bandung, that's where I'm going. Jakarta to Bandung. And the day has been really noisy. Elvis is in town. Elvis Lee's in there somewhere. I can hear him. Can't you hear Elvis? There he is. Oh, it's a wedding. Okay. That's why everything. Good day. Good day, good day. Good day. Yeah, I'm waiting for me grab to get me to the bus station. Should be any minute. Oh man, cool. Cool. Feel a bit sniffly this morning. I'm good, buddy. Thank you. Cheers. So my grab will be in a minute. I'll just keep my stuff there in the shade. So I'm now off to the train station. I get things, trains, buses, cars, motorcycles, upside down, inside out, back to front and the wrong way round. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling sniffly, man. I think it's the shitty air, congestion in the air. But it's definitely a hot day today. And I've been up really early this morning, back out down to the railway slums making a film. And I'm really chuffed I managed to get some really good clips. So I hope I haven't picked up a cold. I feel alright, I just feel a little sniffly in the throat. I think I'm putting it down to the air, the change of the air quality. That's what it must be. So hopefully my grab will be here in a minute. But the hotel has been really noisy. I guess these people must have checked in. All the cars are here, busy. There's been kids screaming, run up and down the aisle since last night. It's really thankful for my earplugs, and I guess it's for that wedding taking place. Right. Let's check my phone to see my grab is. Well, I'm at a cab. It's a bit hectic. Whoa. That cost 40 ringgit. Come about 6 kilometers from the hotel, which ain't bad. Money conversion 17,000 ringgit. That costs 40,000. Oh man, bad light. It's just £1. So that was about £2.50, if that, for that taxi journey. Now, tickets are over there. It's a busy little station, look, on a Sunday, as we can see. If we can get a ticket. Wee, bag slipping and sliding. See if we can get some tickets. Hello, good day. Oh man, I don't know if you have to check in, can't you? Do I buy a ticket, my friend? Where do I buy a ticket? Yeah, I want to buy one. Grand there. Ah, there. Ah, okay, cool. So here we go. That's the entrance there. And we go around here. Buy a ticket. It's a bit dark, I know. Ain't too bad. That will get dark. Right. Just leave my bags there. I can reunite myself with them in a second. I think I've got plenty of time before my train goes. Hello, can I get a train ticket to Bandung? Yes, today. The next one. Okay, we're buying a ticket. Which one? The next one? Next one is? See what the time is now. It's 12:30. What is the time now? Oh, the time now is 12:30. It's 12:03 and I can get the 12:30. Perfect. Perfect. How about that? 27 minutes. That's really good. On the internet it said 1:30 was the next one, and after that 3:30. Takes 3 hours, right? Awesome. How much? think I have. Ah, man. I need to get some money, darling. Yeah, where's that? 80. I don't have enough. I only have 100,000. I go ATM, then I come back. ATM over there. Okay, I'll be back 5 minutes. Well, I'm nearly here. Both machines, that one and that one, said no, I won't give me any money. It says cards delete, defunct. Lucky enough, the lady takes a card payment and we're good. Woo. So I'm now waiting for my app to come up. Try and get in there. Hang on. Oh, that's the train boarding right now. Oh, and I'm still waiting for my app to come up on the NHS. To come through. It's alright, I've got to go up a little escalator. Alright, buddy? Bandung?
Can I see your passport?
I'm waiting. My passport?
Your passport.
Okay.
Sorry.
Are you alright, mate? Hang on. I'm on the train. In my seat. Oh, that's my seat, that one there. I've dumped all my crap on it. And I think it's the executive train. Nice clean seat. I made it. A bit of a swell. That's really good. We'll go at half 12. 1, 2, 3. Should get there for 3:30. 3:30. That's 140,000. It's pretty cheap. It's under a tenner. Big numbers. Big numbers for me right now. I think the day's now going to turn cloudy by the looks of stuff. Looks like it's going to perhaps rain. Turn it dull. Oh man. Bit nippy about my card not being accepted, but I think it's just small banks. They're only offering maximum 1 million anyway, which is, I mean, I'll go through that rather quickly, but so yeah, well good, hopefully. Some ATMs at the other end, because all I've got 120,000. Ah man, I need to I need to book hotel and a grab, oh mate, from the train station to the hotel. Oh well, one of the day's vlog. So welcome to the executive train journey from Jakarta to Bandung. Well, I could do with a snooze. Been up really early this morning. Noisy neighbours, man. Kid running about all night. Bandung, West Java. That's where we're off to. So hopefully we won't have any delays and it'll be a half decent train journey. One will see. We're moving on. We're getting closer to the coast. I'm in the bowl. No windows are open, and I need to film outside. Look. There we go. Paddy field. Good train drive. Didn't like that. That was my highest bridge I've been over. Oh Oh man, there's been a couple. I think I caught a cold. Strange. Oh man, look. Awesome countryside. Another bridge. Whoa. Whoa. Oh man. I can look through the carriages ahead and I can see the steel frame bridges coming up. And it's like, oh mate, I'm alright with it, dealing with it. It's much worse that side than it is this side. People catching colds is a common thing. That's why I've got the mask on. Every now and then. Okay. Bandung in the rain and the sun. Sunny. Wow. And it's raining. And the workmen having a little bit of a break. Right, see how we get on. The barges. They're going this way. That'll bore you, wouldn't it? Just watching that for however long. But wait until I get through the gate on the other side. Good news. Got that paid out. Managed to get $1 million bucks. Which is really good news. So, as you come out the exit, there are loads of taxi cabs, as you can probably imagine. Oh man, there's Grab drivers there, there's all sorts. They will all tap your business. Oh man, I'm just happy I've got some money. Yeah, all madness, look there. That's what you come out to. Out through here. Right. Looks like it stopped raining. So it's time to get the app out. I'm happy I've got $1 million. I'm happy. There's some money. Oh man. I don't know, I should get something to eat, but I want to get checked in first, then I'll go and find something to eat. Well, I checked my app on the phone, booking, and there, it's a little map in blue, which don't look too far. Doesn't say the distance. We're off. We are. We're going for a walk. It's not raining. I've done plenty of walking this morning. So I just want to see how far. Tough getting out. There's no shortcuts. You just got to go around this what looks like a loop. Don't look like I've got to go far at all. Beat the traffic. Possibly. They're not the. They'll block everybody in, block you up. They're not the best drivers that I have encountered. Right, I've got wheels on that wagon. Thing is, I want to keep on some smooth ground. I don't want the wheels falling off this little booty, not like the last one. Right, let me see if I can get somewhat out there. and fathoming out where I'm going. Can't see it being that far. And again, you never really know. Well, if first you don't succeed, try again. There's 2 exits from the train station. That really hectic one where I now went out, and this one where the train is. And when I walk back over the sky rail, I can see that shitty hotel with a brightly coloured thing. And guess what? I don't know how I get there. Oh man, I'm walking around. I know I have to go out this way. That is where I'm going to be staying. I only booked it for one night, but as shit as it looked from here, run down, it's only just come on booking. I reckon they've only just fucking painted it up. I bet it's going to be horrendous. Look, it looks bad on the outside. Hotel hotel shithole number. I'm used to it, like I say. I just dump my gear. Hopefully the water will be hot. I never expect too much, not now, but right near the train station for when I need to go somewhere else, which is good. Oh man. It was hectic on the other side. I walked left, I walked right, I asked a couple of grab guys and they pointed at me, no mate, you need to come over this bit. Taxi driver put me right. I said that's hardly worth a taxi, and he said no, you're over there. So yeah, I was already starting to kick up a bit. Good day. You alright? Hello. How the fuck am I going to get through here? Fucking hell. Oh man, I'm right in the city shanty. That was much better the other side, but I have got used to this smell. I have. So I guess I'll be walking back and forth across. Oh man, fucking hell, shanty or what? It's like a frying pan into the fire. Fucking hell, that's the place. You know, I must have photoshopped the fuck out of it on booking. It all looks brand new. There's, look, fucking hell. Nice little fire been going on. Yeah, it's like I am. Hello mate, you alright? Yeah. Are you good? Where are you from? I'm English. What are you doing? You playing cards?
I love you. What are you talking about?
What? What? What's all this on your face?
Kenapa muka kamu?
Lush, okay. Oh, lotion.
Yeah.
Okay. Fucking hell.
Bye.
Bye mate, cheers. So where am I going? Fucking hell. Is that the reception? But at least there's plenty of... That's not, that's the fucking bike shed. Hotel. Aha. How are you? Oh, good.
You can speak Indonesia?
What?
You can speak Indonesia?
Fit?
Speak Indonesia?
Yeah, I booked a room. Can you have room? Can I see? Sorry, I turned the battery off then. I'll see what the hotel is like.
The room?
Yeah, have a quick look. It's okay.
The room, yeah?
Yeah, just.
Where you come from?
England.
England.
Oh man. Oh man. Fucking hell. No, I can't, mate. I won't be able to, mate. No, you're alright, mate. That's not for me. That's not for me. Sorry, buddy.
No, okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Cheers, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah. Terima kasih.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Dear Makasi, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. I'll definitely come to the wrong side of town. Man.
Where you go?
I'll go back on the train.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll see if I can get a ticket to the next town. I don't know. Funny. Fucking hell. I'm booking on. They must have. Oh, mate. Could not make this up. Room is 106. That ain't worth 6. That ain't worth 6. Fucking hell. That's all good fun. I can't believe it. Booking.com, the rooms, that's they just come on Booking.com. That stunk to what heaven. There's no way, I've got a limit. There's a threshold. And like I said, I won't go to tell them I'd booked. No way. No way. Fuck that. Wow. Right. I'm off to the Hilton. I saw the Hilton. Man, I can't believe that. Fucking hell. There's no way I could stay in there for any more time than I did. So fucking hell. Where am I going to go now? I'm going to have to book. I mean, it is central. Really central. Smoke everywhere in the hotel. It was like, fucking hell. I should have filmed. I couldn't have filmed it any longer, guys. There's no way I could stay in there any longer. Not a chance. That's what you get on Booking.com. Fucking all painted up fresh. Fucking ain't that. There's no way I'd sleep on that. No way, no way, no way. Oh man, so my mission, I've got a mission now. But it's good because it's good entertaining. I made, fuck, look at that, right? Go and have a look at the hotel. Go and look at it on Booking so you can tell for yourself. Hotel A-R-I-M-R-I. Mate, go and have A-B. I'll put it in, I'll put a link to that. Yes, it's got to be the worst hotel I've seen. So I'm on the skanky side of town. I'm not going to go all the way back and try and get back to the mayhem where I was 20 minutes ago. I'm already sweating really good. Fucking hell. Oh, at least I've got some money. You know what, I feel alright. It's only about, what, 3:45. It's probably now coming up to probably 4 o'clock. So I'm good. I will have to look for another room. And
Where are you from, sir?
England.
Oh, from
That's
England.
the fella who told me I had to go over there to my hotel. So as I now come out, he's actually done me a little bit of discount. I'm going to give him 50, right? Right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Confirmation to get me to my new hotel. It's about 5 kilometres, so it's all good. Well, I couldn't be, I could have walked out and that, but I was like, oh man, let's sit in a cab and get to the hotel because I need a hot shower now. And that's, well, in a few minutes we'll find out what the next hotel is like. In the pictures, it looks really good. And I think I've gone up market, but we'll wait until we get there. I really do miss my horse. I really do. Oh man. Still, all in a day's vlog. We've got a long way to go yet. I need to get in the apartment, get showered, get out and find something to eat because I'm getting rather peggish. And it's definitely bear o'clock time. Happy ending is getting closer. Okay. That's the name of the hotel. And that's what it looks like. A million times better. And there's a security guard. And there's no funny smell. Good evening. That's good. What are we on? It's nearly 5 o'clock. Oh man. I'm just booking in. I'll see what the room is like in a bit. 3rd floor, you say? But it looks clean and tidy. Oh, there's the stairs. Alright, so I'm going to have to chump the bags up 3 floors, but you know, it'll finish off my workout. But on the way here, just around the corner, I did see a supermarket. I did, so that's good news. I'm going to get cappuccinos and coffees and water and whatever I need. Oh man, cool. So I'll show you the room in a second. Well, not bad. 157 rupiah. It's a hallway. It's proper tiled. It's quiet at the moment. And there's a little seating area if you want to chill. And I'm on the 1st floor, not the 3rd. So there's a big bonus straight away. And the place has windows. But don't open the windows between 5 and 7 because of the mozzies. I don't have them open early in the morning, roughly between the same time. Sun up, sun down, leave your windows just shut because of the mozzies, and then all day you can open them. So it's all right. Yeah, it's all right. It's a tally workstation there, fucking big old chair, and it's all right. It's all right. It's got a shower. There's no smell at all. Oh man, I might even be out a decent shave at last. The other one was a bit risky that I had to use my phone. We're in. We've got a room. So I'm gonna have a shower, and then we'll go on the streets and see if we can get a happy ending. I need a happy ending. So this is 157, which is all right. All right. What was that? 1.7 is it's less than a tenner. It's fair enough, isn't it? Girls out on a bus. Weird stuff around here. There is. There's an eat all you like.
I am
Grill.
Holland.
You're Holland?
Holland? Belanda.
Okay. Here. Ice cream. Hang on. Ice cream. Are you good?
You from?
I don't want ice cream. I want a drink. Where can I drink?
You from?
England.
English?
Yes, English.
Netherlands?
What?
I am Netherlands.
Dutch. Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Holland.
Holland.
You look Dutch. Right, we've got some places about here. We've got another place. Don't know what that is. Looks a bit not for me. A bit skanky. I am on the edge of skanky, I can tell you. I am. But I don't smell it, apart from I've got a fucking hell. There is, there's a load of bins, so I've got to cross over. Don't want to walk past them bins again. I bet the smell, it hits you from about here. I just want to get across if I can. It's going to be hard work. Here we go. They don't like you crossing over. They're afraid they might lose a second on the road. So what is this place? Wingso, rolling cheese. Again, it don't look like I'm going to get a beer in there. Looks like some kind of, I don't know, cheese thing. What's this? Oh, that looks like selling clothes shop, selling training shoes. It's hard work. Whoa! You alright, guys? Whoa. Good evening. Alright. Well, that's the bins I was trying to avoid. Oh there, man, fucking it stunk. I could smell it on the way I was walking up, so that's why I crossed over here. Classic corner. Oh man. Case corner. It's a repair shop for your phone. Interesting places. He's drinking lager. Oh no, it's tea. Fucking tea. In there. Oh man, we can have a good buffet. I like to catch them places early in the morning when it's fresh. Not when they're sitting about all day. Oh man, we'll continue. Can't remember, I turned left at the bottom here. Fucking hell. That's all a bit, well it is. Shandy. Trip hazards. Everywhere. Anyway, so my coffee, my cappuccino 3-in-1, my Nescafe, some vanilla wafer biscuits, bottle of water, and some what I call sweat. That's what I like to drink. Big old bottle of that. Pecora sweat. That's my coffee. Nescafe original. I have a spoon of that. And I think there I took a chance. Cappuccino 3-in-1s. Big old bottle of water. Some milk, UHT milk, milk, we used to say. And me vanilla wafers. Come with 68 rupiah. 68,000. Coffee and Culture Club over the road. Don't want no Culture Club. Oh man, let's have a look. I wonder how cultural it is. I I've got to cross back this way, so we'll funk cross the road again, which is all good. It's better than smelling that smell. I've had enough of it. I know perhaps I shouldn't have gone round to all the railway slum area this morning, but I needed to get that content to make a film, so I've done that. What have we gonna have a look? It looks quite good, but I don't want coffee. I want to, oh man, no, it's all coffee. Coffee? I want lager, mate. I want bintang. I can bintang down here. Can find bintang. Bintang. Don't know. Lager. Bintang. Maybe that's not what it's called. For drinking. Give all, you know. Ding. No, but can find. Down this way? Okay. Cheers guys, have a good evening. I don't think I'm saying it right. I had to put on a Mao type action before they realised what I was on about. Just want a beer, a couple of beers, ice cold beers. Oh, man. So, my first impressions of Bandung. Wow, not too good. And I think it's all probably a bit like this. I don't know if there's an upmarket place. Where I'm staying, I mean, I'll show you. They're all drinking coffee. I don't get it. Might be a place over there. Oh, there's a big old look. There's a motorbike gang club just round. Look over there. This is literally about 100 metres from where I am. Harley Davidson shop right there. Looks like there's a place. Oh, we've got to get run over sooner or later. Let him go. We'll go in front of the big motor. We've got to knit one per one. Go behind there. We're coming over here. That's it. Make sure they're on you. Hello, hello, hello. Ha ha ha. Just make sure they see you. Fucking love a cross on the road. I'm really good at it. What's this place? Kampung Karung. There's a little restaurant there. Coffee. Fucking coffee, coffee, coffee. Oh man, what we got here going on? Fried chicken. Oh, there's another supermarket. I've had enough of fried chicken. But there's a supermarket there. Circle. Look if they sell booze. I've not seen Circle before. There's a dental clinic. I wonder if you sell booze. Circle. Don't know. What, Pong's a bit, but no booze. No booze. Disappointing. Disappointing. Good day. How much further around that way I'm gonna go. I'll just go home and drink tea. Got tea bags. So I am. So this is the area. I wonder if they are. Oh, it's all tea, caramelised coffee. Disappointing to say the least. You'd think there'd be a bar, man. Look, I mean, it looks bar-like round here. It's gone. Well, can you believe it's Harley Davidson shop right there? Barge. Look at them. Man, monstrous bikes. And that would be a coffee shop. Fucking coffee culture or what? What is happening to the world? What are you all doing drinking coffee? You're fucking on the toilet all day, no? Fucking hell. And there's a biker's place over there. I'm sure it's just for coffee. Now what have we got down here? Okay, looks a bit. I'd like to say hello. Coffee. What the fuck is going on? I'm in the coffee central coffee of Indonesia. Look, another coffee shop. Wow, drains. There must be someone. I've got a Chinaman who's got a little off license. Don't know where that's going to lead. So this is my neighbourhood, my first impression, Bandung. Well, if you like coffee, you'd do well here. God, man, steep uphill. Oh, man. There must be. It's a coffee shop. That over there is a coffee shop. All them big old bikers, all them big old bikes and Harleys inside. The brotherhood of coffee. It's fucking done me. That has just really done me. And you've got Penny Lane Lodge there. Right on the edge, Hotel no way. Hotel California is there. Right on the edge of where I am going to go back home in a bit. And I've been in and asked, and it's a coffee shop. I asked on the way out. This little shops over the road, skanky little eateries, are now starting up. Oh, man. And I live just up there. A little street where those two women are walking. I'm just gonna have a glimpse of what is here. Oh, please. Photo. What? It's a photo booth. You're having a laugh. It's a fucking photo shop. Digital photo centre. Good day. I'm on my last legs. How much longer can I run on walking the streets of I forgot where I am now. Bandung. It doesn't get much better. I'm going to check out. I'll see what time the train goes to Bali in the morning. I'll say it's just a stopover, I guess. I think that's what. Hang on. Something is bestowing me in front of me. Barber shop. Petrol station. Oh man, there's a big old K. There's something. Oh, excuse me. You know what? My cold has cleared up. I felt my glands going. I've got to say that must be the air pollution of Jakarta got to my throat. And I can see there's a university. Ah, look over there. You see all the bunting. Is it going to be? I ain't going to be a strip of bars, is it? Load of go-go bars and massage parlours and strip joints and stuff. How are you, buddy? Are you good? Oh, there's a sushi bar there. So I want a drink, man. Bintang, drink. No, where can I drink? Do you know? Oh, where? In the circle, sell booze? Like Bintang?
Bintang.
You sure? Okay. Circle. We might just be on a happy ending. I've got to cross the road again. Alright, hang on. We'll let them go because there's only two. They will come round here like Barry Sheen, oh look. Go on, son. Oh man, sushi in there. I don't really fancy sushi. But I'm going in the big Circle K. I'm sure that's Circle K where I've just been. But maybe that was a small version. Oh man, look at the guy in blue. He shit himself. Okay. I can see fridges. I can see fridges. Can I see what I want to see? I think I can. I can see some green tins. I'm not exactly sure if the good day, good day, what green tins they are. Ah, nice. Bintang Zero. Ah, man. I can get a drink, but that's not what I want, is it? Ah, man. Well, let's rent it. Cheers, buddy. I want a drink, you know, Bintang. Do you know where? Where? Don't know? Don't know, okay. Cheers, buddy. No one knows, eh? No one knows. We'll get a beverage. Right. Just gonna look, see what is this Bandung. There's probably will be a load of street food. Oh man. That ain't street food. That's not. Nah, you're alright, mate, thank you. Strange speaker. I feel like, whoa, fucking hell, that stench from there just hits you as you come around the corner. Right, that's me, I'm going home. I don't know. Whoa, stench. Right, guys, I apologise for the not so happy ending at all. I'm gonna go home, have a fucking cup of tea, catch up on the computer, look to see what time the train goes to the ferry port to Bali. I've just got to go. I'll get on that beach, man. I need to get on that beach and chill and have some fresh sea air, you know. Fucking Bali and that Lambert better not let me down. If it fucking stinks like this, I will get an early plane ticket and go home. Fucking hell. Anyway, on a brighter note, I ain't far from me out. The aircon work, there's a telly, there's a desk. My desk, I can rig the computer up right to the desk so I can watch some movies. There's loads of new movies out, by the way, which I've been enjoying, so I'm gonna have happy. Well, I'm gonna have an ending all on my own. So guys, I appreciate you watching, staying tuned, and until next time, au revoir.